Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from the Bluetooth audio system in this Hyundai i40. So once it's paired, if you just go to your iTunes here, now I'm going to turn this down, and then we go to media over here. You see at the bottom, Hyundai i40. If for any reason you can't see that, just make sure there's a tick next to it. You just touch that red triangle and the 3 red circles there. So it's showing i40, we'll click play. And then over here we go to media. You may have to press it a couple of times. It's come up blinded by the light there, but it could equally, if you've got something in USB or auxiliary, you'd have to scroll through them. So it's playing here. So I'll turn that up, and then very quickly I'll just give you a blast here to show it's playing, but I can't leave it on too long because of copyright infringements. So there you go, and that's it playing.